Hello everyone, I am Sobha Rani, Associate Professor IT from MVGR College of Engineering. I am starting my video from this page to show that I have done the recording using Open Broadcast Studio. I am going to demonstrate the course content which I have published in Canvas LMS. I am logging in with my credentials and I am going to show you the course which I am handling for the final year BTech IT students. This course was started on 10th September. In the home page of the course, I have given the prerequisites of the course, the faculty information and the contact hours. Out of the hours given to me, I am dedicating 1 hour for only Q&A and interaction. I also specified the contact hours during which they can interact with me. The ebook for the textbook is also shared over here. The course orientation video from YouTube is published here. These are the participants of my course. I have sent them invitations to their Gmail account and this is the time zone, how much they are spending over here. In the module section, under module 0, I have specified all prerequisites of the course. I gave the objectives and outcomes, timetable and lesson plan, some additional references and previous question papers. If you look at the objectives and outcomes, I have specified how they are mapped to the POs and PSOs also. And also I have given the timetable and lesson plan. In the lesson plan, I have added some sessions as pre-recorded. I wanted to test the blended learning here. So, these videos will be shared to them ahead of the class, and in the class I would like to have an interaction with the students about the content being shared in the video. That is what is a plan of action to implement the blended learning. I have given the previous question papers. I have got some coding references over here. This is a theory subject mostly, but I wanted them to dwell something more using the Python APIs available. I gave them learning extension trajectories by exposing them to the standard courses offered by Coursera and NPTEL. I wanted them to register and see how the content is being handled by internationally reputed organizations. In the discussion forum, I have shared them multiple discussions, out of which one is the graded discussion. During a class, I told them to do a task and share it then and there. This one I have tested them in the class. So, whatever they were drawing it, they have to publish immediately during the class. In another discussion, I told them to give a feedback on the Canvas LMS. In the third graded discussion, I wanted them to write the pros and cons of social networking. On the announcement section, I gave them welcome note and also I gave a invitation to the classwork. The MS Teams invitation has been shared to them through this announcement section only. Coming to attendance, after downloading attendance from MS Teams, I am adding it over here because MS Teams allows me to download a CSV format. From that CSV, I am posting the attendance for students. So, this is where I am posting it and marking absent for the people who are absent. So, this format can be downloaded maybe once in a week or once in a month. I can download the attendance report which will be mailed to my user ID. Under module section, I have added various chapters. If you look at module 1, I gave some theoretical notes, assignments and quizzes. Remaining modules are added but not yet published. The live class recordings which I have shared in MS Teams were also uploaded in YouTube and I gave the link over here for them to access it. They missed the class by network issues or some other things, they can access the classes over here. If you look at assignment, this was published in the last week and I gave them to write that and I wanted them to share the link because I want to reduce the load on my LMS. So, only they will submit my drive link. In the quiz submission, this was done in the last class. I have tried various types of questions. I can show that in the preview. So, I gave the multiple choice, true or false questions, multiple selection questions and match the following. This is what I have tried in the questions. So, for the quizzes and the graded discussion, I can show the grades of the students. So, this is what is a grade report for assignments, quizzes and attendance. This is what is yet to be posted. I didn't post marks for the recent submissions. So, besides this standard static representation, I am also using some live interactions during my classwork. I would like to show them here. This is my YouTube channel. I am using Jamboard. During my presentation using an iPad, I am going to draw something and show it over here and invite some of the students to draw or collaborate while developing it. I am also using the Kahoot interface. I have taken the help of Mentimeter to get some results. I have posed some questions during the classes. One more interactivity what I am doing is, I am taking the small trick here, like madam was showing us for PPT wheel, but I am doing it online. I gave the numbers of my students. So, whatever number comes in, he has to be live to the class or he can show something. He can take part in the interaction. So, this is what is my technique for live interaction during my class. I hope I have covered all the components required as part of a Capstone project. And finally, I would like to thank Professor Krishna Vedula sir for offering such a wonderful platform for us to share our experiences. We also thank Keith sir and Sridhar sir for coordinating this entire session without much hassle for the participants. I thank my co-presenters who have shared their knowledge. Finally, I thank Team MVGR for support in this wonderful journey. Thank you all.